All right, welcome to our next video. This is video number 4. And in this video, we're going to be setting up the arms and main syringes for, as you can see in this, I have tape on this. I have not been able to glue this at this moment. But for now, just know that that should be glued from the previous video. And so what you need in this video is you need the first 2 syringes we have. First 2 syringes, the ones that we created with the 20s on top and the 16s on the side. And you also need the semi-completed base. In addition to that, what you need is you will need your part 8 that has connected in the previous video. These should all be glued. And you also need your arms. What I need you to grab from your bag is this is a 2-inch dowel rod. So if you check here, this is a 2-inch dowel rod. You need 3 of your 2-inch dowel rods. So make sure you have 3. And what you need to do is first, you need to also grab 6 of the part 17. The part 17s are this. They're in the bag with the small pieces. So you need 6 of those. Six of these here. And for now, that's what you need. So we're going to set that up. So to start things off, we're going to start with this base first. So you're going to need, for now, put everything aside. You just need one of the syringes. And so what you need it to look like is you actually need to take one of these 2-inch dowels and the syringe and 2 of these washers. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take the syringe and you're going to be putting the dowel rod through, like such, through the center of the hole here. So you should be centering it up like this. And the 16 should be on top and the syringe should be below, like this, as you see. Like this. And then you want to add in the 2 washers on the side, so 17s. It may be a little difficult to put them on. And then what you need to do is I highly recommend that you put a little bit of glue on the ends. All right. So what you need to do after that is make sure they're just nice and tight and goes perfect. Goes like this. So that's the first one. So you want to make sure that you glue these aside. And it can move around. We'll be addressing this in the next video. Next, what you need to do is grab part 8. And with this, what you want to be doing is you want to be attaching your syringe. So you attach this syringe to the end of here. So we're going to take the other 2-inch dowel, the 2-inch dowel, taking with 2 of the 17s. And what you're supposed to be doing is you are going to do kind of the same thing that we did for the previous piece, except one main difference. You're going to be attaching the piece upside down like this. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to make sure that you are putting this together. And so what you're going to be doing is you're going to take the dowel, same thing as we did, put it through as such. And then you're also, in addition to those, what you need to do is you actually need to add on the arms here. So you're going to do arm on one side, arm on the other, this. Actually, you want to make sure that the arms are the correct way. So I just put them incorrectly on. So this is going to be going on to this arm. As you see here, like this. Later, when we get that part ready. And so what you need to do is you actually need to have these arms, the thumb facing on the top. So what you need to do is make sure that the thumb is on top, like this. Thumb is on top. And again, on the other side, same thing. Thumb is on top. And then you're going to add the 2 washers at the end. Here. All I'm doing here is I'm just setting this up and putting the washer at the end. And you want to glue, again, the same thing, the ends once more. There we go. And push it in. Yep, there we go. And then just give it a little glue. There we go. And so you want to set up this arm like you see in here. After that, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are setting up next piece. And so what you want to do is you want to connect these 2 pieces together with a 2-inch, with the other 2-inch dowel, and put the 17s on. So you're going to do the same thing. We're going to put it through, put it in. And you're going to put the 17s on the edge once more. Same thing as you want to put the same thing, glue on the ends just a little bit to make sure that it's sealed properly. There we go. And so I will push these in. There we go. So it'll look like this. Once you're done with this, what you need to do is you actually need to take one of the 3 3/4 dowels. 3 3/4, so 3 1/4, 3 3/4 dowel, and 2 more 17s. And what you need to do is you see this, the syringe on the bottom. What you need to do is you need to make sure that kind of extend this out a little bit, and it makes your job easier. And you want to put the syringe, the dowel through here, as you see, and add the 2 on the sides. 1 and 2. You want to make sure to glue the edge ends just as you have done the same thing for the others. For now, just for sake of time and video, we'll be doing this. So it should look something like this, and this will be the end of this video. So it should work like this. Don't pull it out. Don't do it too quickly. This is just the first part of it. Don't make sure that you, when you do play with this, don't make the syringe go too in and out too quickly, or else you may pop it out of the zip tie like you see here, and it's going to be really difficult for you to put it back in. So make sure that you are controlled in your, if you do plan on messing around with it, Makes it difficult to fix. All right, so that's the end of this video. In the next video, what we're going to be showing you is how to set up the next parts of it. All right, I'll see you there.